Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health and wellness tips. In today's video, we'll talk about some homeopathic medicines that are commonly recommended for natural breast enlargement in women. Whether you're looking for a gentle boost to your confidence or considering a more holistic approach to body enhancement, homeopathy may offer options worth exploring. Let's dive in. Homeopathy is an alternative medicine system that focuses on using natural substances to help balance the body. Unlike other treatment options, homeopathy aims to stimulate the body's natural growth processes gently and safely. Top homeopathic medicines for breast enlargement. Here are some popular homeopathic remedies often considered for breast enhancement. Sabina Q, known for promoting glandular tissue growth. Dosage, 10 to 15 drops in half a cup of water, twice daily, or as prescribed by a homeopath. Conium maculatum, used to help regulate hormonal balance, which may support breast growth. Dosage, 3 to 5 drops in a small amount of water, 2 to 3 times daily. Calcarea carbonica, especially useful for women with low metabolism or hormonal imbalances. Dosage, typically 30 or as prescribed once daily. Pulsatilla nigricans, often used for hormonal balance, particularly during puberty. Dosage, usually taken in lower potencies, as recommended by a healthcare provider. Before starting any homeopathic medicine, it's important to consult with a professional. Dosage varies by individual, and your healthcare provider can guide you on the best regimen for your needs. Although homeopathy is generally safe, here are some precautions. Consult a professional. Avoid self-prescribing, as a healthcare provider will consider your unique case. Observe for side effects. Though uncommon, watch for unusual symptoms. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Avoid using these medicines if you're pregnant or breastfeeding without medical advice. Homeopathy can offer natural options for women seeking body enhancement, but it's essential to use these remedies responsibly. Remember, consistency and patience are key when it comes to homeopathic treatments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who may find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more health-related content. See you in the next video.